Do you know why bodybuilders love protein? It's not just because it's a buzzword in the fitness world. It's because protein is the building block of muscles, the key to their strength and growth. And for those who are serious about their fitness goals, protein is king. Imagine this, you're a bodybuilder, or maybe you're just someone who loves to stay fit. You've been pushing yourself, working hard at the gym, lifting weights, doing squats and crunches. Your muscles are screaming for a break, but you know that it's all part of the process. It's the path to gaining the strength and physique you desire. But did you know that the work doesn't end there? The real magic happens not just in the gym, but in the kitchen. Chicken, for example, is a great source of lean protein. It's low in fat, which means you're getting the protein your muscles need without the extra calories. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, which is crucial for protein metabolism. So not only are you feeding your muscles, but you're also helping your body process the protein more efficiently. Then there's fish. Not only is it packed with protein, but it's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation. After a hard workout, your muscles need all the help they can get to recover, and fish provides just that. Eggs, the breakfast of champions, are another protein powerhouse. Each egg contains about 6 to 8 grams of protein, along with a host of other nutrients like vitamin D and choline. And the best part, they're incredibly versatile. Boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs are a delicious way to start your day right. And let's not forget about beans. They're a fantastic source of plant-based protein, perfect for vegetarians or anyone looking to add some variety to their protein sources. Plus, they're high in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Remember, it's not just about how hard you work out, but also about how well you fuel your body. So the next time you're planning your meals, consider these protein-rich foods. They're not just tasty, but they're also the secret weapon you need to achieve your fitness goals. And hey, if you found this information interesting and want to learn more about nutrition, fitness, and overall wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more interesting tips and information that will help you live a healthier, happier life.